morning, kids. So here we are going to look at the sea creatures. The sea creatures are the animals that live in the water. We've been talking about that when we did animal habitats, right? Now, sea creatures. A fish has fins to help it move. Without the fins of the fish cannot move. Look at this fish. It has no fins. The fins are just like the wings of the bird. If the bird don't have wings, can it fly? No. So the fish has fins that helps it move. Without the fins, the fish cannot move. These are the fins of the fish, the dots. If you join the dots together, it's gonna make the fins. So without these fins, the fish cannot move. Now give each fish 2 fins. So the fish has how many fins to move? 1, 2. So this fish has no fins, this fish has no fins. So here you have to give these 2 fish fins, okay? So you draw 1 fin here, 1 fin here, 1 here, and 1 here. Now, first of all, before you do this, you have to trace the fins of this fish before you can do this, okay? Now, the body of the fish is covered in scales. The scales, when we're doing the animals habitat, I talked to you, I showed you how the skin of the animals look like. We talk about the few, we talked about the scale, we talk about the spine, talk about different types of the skins that the animals have. And the fish, we said the fish has scales. Sometimes when mommy goes to the market and buy fish, she has to clean off the scale of the fish before she can cook the fish. If not, the fish will be hard, or maybe it would not get ready, or maybe it will not be nice, okay? So these are the scale of the fish. We cannot eat the fish with the scale. We have to clean up the scale, okay? So draw the scales on this fish. So take your pencil and try to draw the scale on the fish. You have to trace all the scale, okay? If you finish, you can color your fish, okay? Now, remember these animals live in the water, in the sea. The fish, the shark, the octopus, the sea turtle, the sea lion, the starfish, the crab, they all live in the sea. Now, here, an octopus has 8 tentacles. Join the dots to see them. Tentacles are just like the legs, the hands of the octopus that it helps it to move in the water. So it has how many tentacles? 8. Let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, the octopus lives in the water. It's a sea creature. So you have to use your pencil to trace the tentacles of the octopus. You have to trace nicely. Trace all the 8 tentacles of the octopus, okay? Now, look at each picture, draw a circle around its shadow. If you look here, you will see 1, 2, 3 pictures. Now, these are the shadows of each of the pictures. So you have to draw a circle around its shadow. Now, look here, this is a starfish. The starfish, which is the shadow of the starfish between this, and this? Can you tell me which one looks the same? It means the shadow has to look exactly the same like the original image, okay? Now, I think this is the shadow of the starfish. Sometimes when we talk about shadow, maybe sometimes you can stand somewhere and you see your image on the ground. You can see your image on the ground of yourself and it looks exactly like you. So that's what we mean by shadow, okay? Now, here we have the crab, which is the shadow of the crab. You have to look at the one which is the same. You have to count the legs and make sure they are all the same like this. It is the shadow is the same like this. Now, the next you have to do the same like you've done with this, okay? Thank you.